Hi everybody, Ricky here. I was going to make a short and take a look at this keyboard that always tends to give me trouble that I bought back in the early 2010s. So I picked up this Anker Bluetooth keyboard, which is supposed to work with Windows, Android, and iOS. So go ahead and open it up. I've never opened it yet. Bought this for $20 at Walmart. But I wanted something a little newer because when I go to type stuff on that older Bluetooth, a lot of times it'll mess up and sometimes make my words look all jumbled up or messed up when I type or comment on something. It's got a welcome guide in there. And the keyboard. I like the size of it. It's like a good, nice size. Not too big, not too small, but can travel around with it. And it looks like it takes AA batteries like this other Bluetooth one does. That takes AAAs, and this one looks like it takes two AAAs as well. But yeah, I just wanted to do a short on it, show you what this new keyboard I got looks like. So take it easy. Have a great day.